All right, what's up? I'm back. Well, for y'all, it's probably the next day. I might schedule this for the next day. Anyways, let's get started. So, we're making this a series. I am testing out strategy number 1 today in FX replay. We're going to go over 7 days in FX replay and we're going to see how it does. I'm going to do exactly as the strategy says. I mean, there's not much to it. It's just different confluences. Anyways, let's get into it. I say we delete everything, to be honest. Let's go to the 30-minute. We're going to mark out a few market opens, however many I can, to be honest. Let's see. We got market open. That's 1. That's 2. 3. I'm good at this. Oh. There we go. I did not say that. You're gonna make move. Ha! There we go. Cool. Let's get started. So first we go on the 1 hour. Usually, there's something on the 1 hour. We have, I believe this is an all-time high. It is. It's an all-time high. I think we're chasing the value above the liquidity. Holy, where's the lighting? Let me fix this real quick. There we go. That's a bit better. Cool, let's get started again. So we have this high up here. I think it's the draw on liquidity. We have some imbalances. We have a inverse fair value gap right here. Or is that BPR? Who cares? Anyways, we have this on the 1 hour. We have this high on the 1 hour. We have a low, a strong low, and a weak high. Let's go down. All right. It's a strong low right here. Strong low right here. So a retracement. Pretty choppy price action. I would assume it's going to come down here and skyrocket up. Let's go to the 15-minute. Mark out any extra confluences that we see. I only want to look for 1 hour on this. Let's look at the OTE. Wait, hold on. High time frame confluence, BPR, IFVG, and OTE. Bet that up. Cool. Let's look at OTE. All right. 0.705 is right above here. I can remember that. Cool. OTE is like at this fair value gap. All right. Pretty smooth. Price doesn't want to come all the way up here. It's pretty smooth. And I think we'll chase this line right here, honestly. Let's see what happens once we get to this low. Market open. Looks like we have manipulation upward and then it retraces. All right. Let's go back to the 15-minute. We are in the liquidity pool. We are below this low. This was a retracement. This could be a good low right here as well. It broke, but that doesn't mean much, honestly. All right. Pretty smooth move to the downside. I don't see any IFVGs or BPR. Let's go to the 1 minute. I specifically want to use a strategy number 1. I would use this order block on different occasions. mean, we have this. It might still be valid. Let's look at OTE. 0.705 to 0.79. Cool. 0.705 to 0.79. Cool. Looks like it reacted off the order block. Comes back up. Looks like it reversed. Let's see if it hit any sort of liquidity on the downside. I guess this low created a demand zone. That could be why it's reacting off of that. And then it retraced. And then we have liquidity sweep. Let's see. I mean, it didn't touch it. Okay, we officially touched it. Let's go down to the 1 minute. I'm still not taking a trade right now. There's nothing, honestly. I mean, there's this right here, but price is too rough to go back to this area. So let's go back to the 3 minute. What time is it? 9:54. Pretty smooth. This makes sense. I've been watching Fractal Flow, and this makes a lot of sense. It looks like it's going to reverse here. We can do this. Look at this. Inverse for value gap. If it retraces, I'll enter. Okay, I want to see a reaction. Cool. I think it's 10 contracts for this. No, I think it's 20. Let's do like 15. Shorts above these highs and at these lows. All right. This is my trade. I forgot to place the order. Honestly, it's fine. Stopped out. My headphones just turned off. Yeah. Bad trade. Cool. It's probably because it's a 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna X that out then. All right, on to the next day. Let's go. Unless we can go to 12:30. We have a reaction off of this. Liquidity sweep. Inverse. See, I just don't feel like it's gonna. My intuition's telling me that it. Like, we have an inverse for value gap. Let's look at OTE. It's just too high up, you know? I think it'll keep going. Yeah, would have stopped me out. Okay, on to the next day. We're going to do this for 7 days. This is going to be a long video. Sweeps liquidity and then gets me out. Piece of crap. Anyways. Alright, let's delete all these drawings. Cool. All right, let's see what we got on the 1 hour. We have butt cheeks and a little less than that. 1 hour for value gap. Cool. We already got a reaction off of it. I want to look for a long, to be honest. Prices pretty rough, I'd say. We have a fair value gap. We're just looking for high time frame confluences. We just filled this fair value gap. 4 hour. It's also an order block. We could look at that as well. We can double up. And if that 1 hour doesn't work, we can go to the 4 hour. Cool. All right, let's go to the 30-minute. Nothing amusing. 15-minute. Liquidity sweep. We have breaker block that I would love to trade there. But there's a reason I'm not profitable. All right. We have, let's go to the 5-minute. Nothing. 9-minute. Nothing. 15. Nothing. I would like to trade this. All right. 3-minute BPR. 3-minute BPR. Neither of these are very optimal. I would say this is more optimal. But if we see a liquidity sweep on the downside, let's just look for a reversal. Here we go. I'm gonna mark out some lows real quick. Never mind. Holy. We have a fair value gap that was also a breaker structure right here. Let's look at OTE, see what we got. OTE. I mean, it's just, I would hate to trade against this breaker structure. Liquidity sweep. It's gonna keep going up. I wanna wait for it to break structure so I can enter a trade then. Holy, sideways. Okay. Okay. These are useless. Good to know. We have this 4 hour for value gap and the consequent encroachment of the 1 hour. Yet to break structure. Cool. Want to wait for a pullback. That was the pullback. Let's see what it does. If it fails to create a higher high, we have a liquidity sweep. So you can oh my gosh. Wait, that was the perfect trade. I didn't even see it. I didn't even see it, bro. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? What was I thinking, bro? That was the trade. What was I thinking? Whatever. Let's just assume we'll take profits at a certain value. What value is most intriguing? What would price want to retrace to? If I was price, where would I want to retrace to? Let's just, I don't know. I want to figure this out. I want to figure this out. I feel like we're going all the way up here, man. go to the 1 hour. Let's take profit at this line. Assuming I took the trade and I saw it. Assuming I did. Edge of Doom. Oh, I'd hate to actually be in this trade. Oh my gosh. It's coming for me at break even, bro. Again, assuming I entered. Alright, bro. Obviously it came back at break even. And again. How strong is this low? Oh, not that strong, obviously. I was that close to take profit. So what was wrong with it? I need to find out what it retraced to. I mean, it wasn't chasing this high. It looked like it's like it touched this fair value gap. That makes a lot of sense. Like, damn, it's like you just don't see that. You just don't see that, dude. Okay, on to the next day. Cool. Like I said, I'm just trying to learn. I'm trying to become profitable. Seeing what strategy works best for me. Oh. 30-minute. I'm not trading that, that's for sure. What the? Alright. Let's go to the 1 hour. We have... Let's just take these out. This is the 4th day, right? What the? I just screwed up. Damn. Oh. Cool. Alright. We have a 1 hour IFVG. Let's aim for this. OTE. Let's take a looky. 0.705. It's probably going to go up a bit higher. Let's look at the stuff at the 1 hour. I don't see it going up until it comes down for a retracement, to be honest. I doubt it'll come down that low. Cool, let's get started. Would you look at that? Alright. Looking for... Yeah, bro, see, I would have entered right there. That's the IFVG. Okay. I can only hope that it'll retrace again. Cool. It's looking for a sweep. Alright, there we go. I don't want to trade this yet. This trade just invalidated all of it. I mean, let's look at this. BPR. It's just not quite an OTE. Okay. It's like retracing but failing to create higher highs. I don't believe in this trade. Okay. Are we getting a liquidity sweep here? That broke structure, I believe. 635.85. 635.88. It did not break structure. That's a liquidity sweep. Alright, bet. So choppy. Okay. You can count that as BPR, right? Not OTE though. It's doing the same thing all day. What time are we at? 9:36. Liquidity sweep goes down again. What? Where are we going? Bro. Are you shitting bricks? What the hell is over here? Wow. A fair value gap that ended right here and it invalidated it. What will you do? Keep going down? Yup, you will. You will. No doubt about it. I don't see a short with this strategy. It's too late. Let's go to the next day. It means no worries. So this is day 4, 5, 6, and 7. Cool. Let's look for our time frame confluences. It's chasing this area. Let's see if we can look for a confluence inside of this area. Order block after the break of structure. Very tiny. Let's look at this one. Cool. I think we can get there. And we have a liquidity sweep down here. We have... Let's look at the 1 hour. Nothing crazy. 15 minute. IFVG. whatever. Let's use that. Let's go to the 9-minute. Five-minute. Nothing crazy. Cool. Let's see what we got. I'm assuming it'll go down. Alright. Let's look at the 15-minute. Because there could be more high time frame confluences like this for value gap. There's no predicting that one, bro. It's chasing this liquidity. Let's see what happens when it hits it. Come on. There you go. Now, if it doesn't... Holy. Alright, let's go to the 4 hour. 1 hour. This will be next. This is a very strong low. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, you're kidding me. Okay. What do I do here? What's the date? Friday, May 31st of 2024. I want to go to Friday. No, I want to go to Monday. Monday, June the 3rd of 2024. Cool. We're just gonna delete this. Am I profitable? 50K, NASDAQ, waffle done. June the 3rd? Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. What's today? Is it gonna show me? Cool. Let's do that. Create session. Check this shit out. Here we go. All right. Can I backtest now? Look at that. I can. Haha. Shit. Cool, cool, cool. $30-minute. All right. Damn. Let's go to the 15-minute. Who cares about that? Let's go to the 3. Market open. Price hits this. Makes sense. Inverse value gap. Sorta. What the hell? That's not the trade I wanted. Here we go. Here we go. IFVG. OTE. Place order. Buy. Market. 15. Save and journal. Minus out of that. Bang. And I lost. Okay. Let's go to 12. Cool. Read some pretty good stuff here. We have IFVGs. Let's retrace to them. No, like, let's retrace to them. Let's retrace. Retrace. That's cool. No need. We'll just go on to the next day because it's taking too long. One hour. Cool. 15-minute. Bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Look at that. Alright, let's look for a 30-minute. We already got a reaction off a 30-minute fair value gap. So. That's PPR too. So what do I wait for? What's the right move here? The trade already happened pre-market. We break structure. Do I wait for a fair value gap entry? Let's look at this. We have... Okay, let's say it's a strong low. It is in the liquidity pool of this high. Let's see what it does. Swept a couple highs. Inverse fair value gap. I want to trade off this BPR. I low-key want to wait until it gets down here. Because this could just be a retracement. It swept liquidity already. What's the right move at this candle? It's not at OTE yet. Let's wait for one more candle. Equilibrium gets hit and it's gonna freaking skyrocket up. I can only hope for another retracement. Refuses to break structure. Yeah, I don't like this trade anymore. It's sideways somehow. What the? Delete, thanks. Alright. I'm taking that trade. Right there. Holy RR though. Let's look at equilibrium before I make any stupid decision. Oh gosh. Swept liquidity on the upside. Demand zone gets hit. Alright, we finally retraced to where I wanted to go. Cool. Fair value gap gets hit. Another retracement's gonna happen to the downside. One more, touch it. No, whatever. Can't predict it all. Alright, we have a fair value gap. OTE is in literally 0.02 ticks. Fills the fair value gap. Shoots down BPR. Fails to create another high. Price will want to get close to this. Touch it. And I'm shorting. Even we hit a high time frame confluence. But we also swept liquidity up here. We had a high time frame, order block, low probability, order block. It's just, to me, it looks reasonable. Let's be smart here. Swing high. Swing high, swing high. Looks like it broke structure and it just wanted to retrace, honestly. I don't want to take this short. If anything, I'd take this long. Let's not get greedy. I'm going to take this long here. Stop loss right here is perfect, actually. And let's target this. Nah. Right there. That's fine with me. Let's go to the 1 minute. Probably see a little bit more drawdown. That's OTE off this fair value gap. I want to see a long here. Good long. Sweeps liquidity. Yeah, bro. I'm moving that. Damn, bro. What's this? Was this the 4th day or the 5th? Let's just say it was the 5th. I'm 2 losses for 2 losses, bro. 4, 5. No worries. Yo. PPR. No equilibrium. No wonder it's 11 o'clock, bro. Alright, 15-minute. Holy, bro. Supply and demand. Notice how it hits it. Look at that. Initial take profit of the day. That's crazy. Cool. I obviously don't have premium, so it means no worries. Alright. We're going to mark out this 15-minute order block. We are going to mark out. Oh, well. Well, I guess I'll mark out these eyes. Pretty smooth. Look this up. 30-minute fair value gap. Oh, never mind. 2-hour fair value gap. That's what we're gonna call it. And a high right here. Alrighty. Do I go to the 15-minute? Mark out this low, I guess. Strong low. Strong low. A 9-minute, 5-minute, 3-minute. What's this high? You know, if it hits this OTE, I'm longing. Equilibrium, what the hell is there? Dog ass, bro. Wow, a 5-minute fair value gap. The smallest one on the planet. Jeez Louise. Break structure. What did I say about it hitting OTE and trading? Is that news? I think it's chasing that. I think it's chasing it right now. It is. Not. Damn. It's like the ones I would win, I always miss. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Why didn't I just set up a trade? Okay, now I know. I understand it now. Let's go to the next day. Come on. I understand it now. Was it the last day? No. No, we're doing one more day. We're doing one more day. I don't care what anyone says. we at all-time highs? Damn. We're going to count this as a 7th day. Don't care what anyone thinks. Got it. Twice. Can't tell if that's an O or a bug. Oh my gosh, this is a long video. Totally worth it. Totally worth profitability, bro. Oh my gosh. Let's look at equilibrium. Where are we going to? This for value gap? Dude, I'm getting tired. I'm about to go to bed. Strong low. Cool. Let's go to the 15-minute. Bang. Oh. Alrighty. 9-minute. 5-minute. I mean, I guess I want to sweep this low. Cool. Swing high. I would take this 1-minute fair value gap right here. No. Well, that is BPR, but what do I do here? We hit equilibrium. We hit OTE and an inverse fair value gap. I say we take it. I say we take it. Do I believe in it? Absolutely not. I'm going to be honest. Bye. I'm going to be honest. All right. We have this fair value gap right here. I'm waiting for it to go to OTE. If I see a reaction off that OTE, I am out of there. I am out of there. Close that position. We're counting that as a dub. Keeps going up. That's fine. It just chose another retracement. That's cool. Retraces a little bit. Fails to create a higher high. Creates a lower low. It's retracing. And we secured the bag with a dub. We got one dub. We got one dub. That's a dub. That's a dub. That's a W. I'm going to be honest. All right. Let's delete all these drawings. That was everything. Tomorrow, I'll be back with more strategy 1. You know what? The outro needs some work, but it's hard to watch this long anyways. So, anyways, catch y'all later. I'll be back tomorrow. Let's see. We're going to... We want to start at... We want to pick up at June the 7th. Cool. Alrighty. I'll be back tomorrow for y'all. The next button will be like right over there, I think. I don't know. Click it. Watch it. Peace.